This is not just a house. It's a home. It's a gathering place. It's a witness to our memories. It's the keeper of our traditions. This important place in your life deserves the very best. Authenticity and timeless elegance. A family business for 4 generations. SBC Cedar proudly continues this legacy of quality that sets us apart. Our dedicated team of over 150 members works passionately every day to help you create this warm nest. By focusing on integrity and collaboration, we maintain long-term relationships with our partners, employees, and customers. With determination, we push our limits and improve our processes to be among the innovative leaders in our industry. Our commitment: offer you the highest quality cedar shingles that will retain their authentic beauty for generations. Finally, with respect for nature and the precious resources it offers us, we ensure that we value them in multiple ways. Because at SBC, we understand how much memories, heritage, and traditions deserve to be cherished. SBC, where quality comes naturally.